Hello students, exercise 2.4 question number 3 is find value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px. Given is px equal to x square plus x plus 1. This is the first question. How we will solve it? Now here is written x minus 1 is a factor of px. Therefore we will put x minus 1 equal to 0. Then what we get? We get x equal to 1. Therefore, we will put this value of x equal to 1 in this equation px. You can say it the first equation. Then we will write here p1 equal to 1 square plus 1 plus k. This is equal to 0. This implies this 1 square is 1 and this 1 as it is and this k as it is. This is equal to 0. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus k equal to 0. Or you can write it k plus 2 equal to 0. This implies k equal to minus 2. Then second question is px equal to 2x square plus kx plus root 2. Now in the same way we will put here value of x equal to 1 because x minus 1 is a factor. Therefore p1 equal to 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2. This is equal to 0. Now 2 into 1 is 2. This will become 2 plus k plus root 2 equal to 0. This implies k, we can write k here and plus 2 plus root 2 constant numbers here equal to 0. Then what is the value of k? K equal to, here is plus 2, then on this side it will become minus 2. And here is plus root 2, on this side this will become minus root 2. Therefore, or you can write k equal to, minus will be common and what is left? 2 plus root 2. Then its third part is px is kx square minus root 2x plus 1. In the same way, we will put here value of x equal to 1. Then we get p1 equal to k into 1 square minus root 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1. This is equal to 0. This implies what we get, k into 1 is k, to root 2 multiplied 1 is root 2 and plus 1 as it is equal to 0. This implies k equal to what we get, k equal to, here is minus 2 root 2. And on this side it will become plus root 2. Here is plus 1 and on this side it will become minus 1. Therefore value of k is root 2 minus 1. Then fourth part is px equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. Now in the same way we will put value of x equal to 1. Then p1 equal to k into 1 square minus 3 multiplied by 1 plus k equal to 0. Now k multiplied by 1 is k and 3 ones are 3. Plus k equal to 0. Now k plus k will become 2k minus 3 equal to 0. This implies 2k equal to, here is minus 3 and on this side it will become plus 3. Therefore value of k is 3 over 2. Thank you students. In the next video we will do exercise 2.4 question number 4. Thank you.